Okay students, we have finished lesson 4, supply in economics. You can start writing the exercises. Options 6 questions are there. Please write all these optional questions in your text, in your notebook. Then one line answers. What is stock? What are the two matters on which the law of supply is presented? Two reasons law of supply is presented. Then what is supply, what is supply schedule, what is supply curve, then why is applicable law of supply is not applicable to rare goods, why it is not applicable to rare goods. It cannot be applicable to rare goods, no, because it is rare, it is not available. That is why it becomes exceptions. So which type of commodities are an exceptions to the law of demand? Then you explain the exceptions. Rare goods and what is other good? That is perishable goods, they are exceptions. Then write this distinguish between stock and supply. Distinguish what is individual supply and what is market supply. Explain the concept. Then why supply be more than production? Supply is always more than production. Then why supply curve is positively sloped? Why it is positively sloped? Because it has a direct relationship. Price falls, supply falls, so there is a positive slope. So that way you can explain. Then answer the following questions in brief. Write all the supply functions. State the exceptions to the law of supply. Supply functions, that you write all the equations. Okay. Then law of supply, exceptions to the law of supply. Two reasons are there: expansion, contraction, increase, decrease. All this with diagram, with schedule. Write the schedule, make the diagram, explain the diagram. Then in that way expansion, and in that way increase and decrease. Then write in detail the factors affecting supply. What are the factors affecting? We have studied all the factors affecting supply. Then what is law of demand with the help of schedule and diagram. Schedule means the table you have to draw, diagram you have to draw, explain the diagram. So in detail you have to explain the law of supply. What is law of supply? What are the assumptions? Okay. Then schedule, then diagram, then explain the diagram. Price determination with the diagram, the last part of your lesson, that you make the diagram, explain the table. First you have to explain how prices are determined in the market. There should be a stable price. Okay. Then only from the stable price the prices are being decided and determined. Then from that you make explain the schedule. Take one schedule, then draw the schedule, then draw the diagram, how it gets an equilibrium price. From the stable price, there should be a stable price obtained in the market, so the stable price will be intersect at the demand and the supply, so there will be equilibrium point obtained there, and that will be the price in the market. So this is how prices are being determined in the market. So you have to explain with price determination all that examples. Then you, so as I said, what is production, what is supply, what is stock, what is all these terms you can learn from your textbook. It is given in the glossary part. It will help you to write your short answers, one line answers, two line answers, short answers you can take the from this glossary. Okay. So all this production, supply, stock from the textbook also you can do, and this is given here also. So you have to learn this glossary to write the answers, short answers. So this is how you are going to write all the entire questions, all the questions in your assignment book. So please maintain your book. And lesson number 1 and 2 we have taken the test also. Now the next test is going to come for you people. So there you will have 4 to 5 chapters. So please read all the chapters very thoroughly. First 2 chapters you already learned, then start doing the third chapter, then fourth chapter. Okay. So 5 chapters you have to cover. So please be prepared and be ready with all these lessons, so that you can write your unit test 3 is going to appear. So you can write the exam very well. So write your assignments everybody, and send your assignments also, so that I know how you are writing the answers. Okay. So with this you have finished this lesson number 4. Complete your assignment. Thank you.